Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. In today's video, we're going to be covering a pair of true wireless earbuds from KMOUK. So basically, these are some 5.2 earbuds, and they have 4 microphones as well as CVC 8.0 for call reduction if you're using them outside or indoors. And we also do have IPX8 waterproofing, which we'll get into in a little bit more detail. But these will have about 6 hours on a single time of using them. And I am using the microphones right now on the earbuds right now, so this gives you an idea of how they would sound. But you're supposed to be getting clear calls with touch control in-ear buds, and they're that half in-ear style, right? They're like that half in-ear style, so they're not going to have the tips or anything like that. But let's just go ahead and take a look at the unboxing experience. And you can find these on Amazon. In the black color they're $42, but in the white color they're actually $39.99, so you can save a little bit of money. And they were originally $46.99, but these are on Amazon right now. They're also on AliExpress, so if you do want to pick them up, there will be a link down below. And they do offer these ear tips, rubber ear tips, which I think is pretty cool, because that is one of the things that I need when I'm using these type of style earbuds, to keep them in and keep a really snug fit when I'm listening to music. But you can see we do have that traditional stem with the bulb at the top, and these do have that clamshell style case, that lipstick style case. And they do also offer a really good magnet when you're putting them inside of the case. It's really going to be in there, they're not going to fall out if you tilt them upside down, and they're pretty strong magnets when it comes to using these. And overall the case is pretty sturdy, right? It's going to give you like a slippery feel in your hand. I'm not going to lie, it's a little bit slippery. I did kind of juggle this thing a little bit when I picked it up for the first time, but the design of these are really good, right? And I'm using the microphones right now, so you can get an idea of how these would sound. So overall, you get a really snug fit with those rubber ear tips. I can't stress enough how important that is, that they did include those rubber ear tips. And these are the KM-HTW001 model names, and it's that in-ear style. So I just want to let you guys know it is that in-ear style. It doesn't have that rubberized fit. It does have that in-ear style. So we do get 4 microphones like I was talking about before, and you can have a really good experience. It's like face-to-face call quality is how they're explaining it. But these are really good earbuds, and you won't have any lag because of the 5.2 chip, the Bluetooth chip. And we also do have that Qualcomm QCC 3040 chipset as well for calls, and it's going to be really good if you're in the gym. It's going to cancel out a lot of the noises that you hear around you. It's not ANC, but it is ENC, environmental noise cancellation, so you won't be able to actually hear everything that's going on around you when you have these in. So you will get a nice fit. You will get with that rubberized tip that they did offer, you do get an extra one in there. You do get volume controls on these, so one tap is going to be your volume control. On the right hand side you can increase it, and on the left hand side it will decrease with that one tap feature. And then if you do triple tap on the right one, you will go forward. Triple tap on the left, you will go back. Double tap is pause and play. So I just kind of want to let you guys know that you do get the full experience when it comes to the touch controls. You do get that full experience, answer and reject phone calls, volume control, like I said before, everything of that nature. And it's just a really nice immersive experience. It also does have this 13mm driver that comes inside of here. So it's with that aptX, it's CD-like audio is basically what they're claiming. But it does sound really clear. It does sound really crisp. It does sound really enhanced when it comes to the music and everything like that. All the sounds, the instruments did come through really clear, and you do get some good bass on these. So I just want to stress that the bass is pretty decent. They don't get extremely loud, right? You can drop them in water, and when you do drop them in water, I noticed that the volume takes a while to increase again all the way back up to the original volume. But when you put them back in your ear, you still can use them even when they get wet, right? So you won't have to worry about that. You also can long hold for 3 seconds to get Google Assistant. But you're going to have all of your features. You're going to have those 13 millimeter drivers, the dynamic drivers. You're going to have the CVC 8.0 noise cancellation when you're outside and there's like a windy environment. It'll cancel out a lot of the noise that you hear in the background. 96% of the noise that you... Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the voice notes application on side of my phone, and I'm actually testing out the KMOUK, earbuds. Now these are the actually how they would sound when I'm connected to the Bluetooth frequency, right? And I am connected to Bluetooth right now. These do have that wireless charger as well, the true wireless earbuds from, the KMOUK company. So these do have that CV 8.0 CVC mics, which are really cool. We also do got, the QCC 3040 chip inside of these, as well as aptX, as well as Bluetooth 5.2. So this should be really good with phone calls, because we're also getting 4 mics as opposed to 2 mics. So there's 2 mics on each one. And these are tailored for phone calls outdoors, and they're going to cancel out 96% of outdoor noise that you're going to hear in the background. So it leaves only that 4% to be less desired, but it sounds really good. I mean, the audio experience that I had, it was quick transmission, so you could definitely game with these. There wasn't any lag, there wasn't anything that I had to worry about of that nature. And the IPX8 waterproof certification made these you could wear these in the rain, you could wear them when you're sweating. They're ideal for any activity, right? But I just wouldn't put them underwater, you know what I mean? Because that will kind of mess up the mics and things of that nature and the equipment that's inside of them. But they do say that they're IPX8, right? So you can definitely dip them in. You don't have to worry about them breaking or anything like that. But one of the things I did notice is that these have a super fast pairing process, right? So when you pair them on your phone, all you have to do is look for the KMOUK KM-HTW001s, and you will find it on your phone. It's going to be like 1 second for them to show up. So I was really impressed with that. Also, the incredible call quality. They were really clear, crystal clear. Half in-ear design, like I said before, Type-C charging as well. You're going to get about 6 hours of listening time with that 4,000 milliamp hour battery and 30 hours of time to use them. And they will charge a couple of times as well. But let me know what you guys think about the KMOUK earbuds, and I'm going to get right back with you. I'm going to show up in the comment section right now. I do also like the fact that they do support aptX, right? And the 13 millimeter drivers in here. But I'll get right back with you later, crew.